Hello children, welcome back to virtual classes of Upper Public School, Kalaburgi. I am Kaveri Kuri, your computer teacher for grade 4. Kids, in last class we have started 5th lesson KTurtle More Commands. And in last class we have discussed introduction about KTurtle, what is KTurtle, why we use KTurtle, basic things we have learnt in last class. Also how to launch KTurtle in Google Chrome we have learned, we have saw. So today in this session we are going to learn using those commands how we will draw diagrams or how we will draw shapes in KTurtle. We are going to learn, and I'll revise once again. Open page number 50. There are few commands in KTurtle like forward, backward, turn right, turn left, clear, pen color. There are few commands in KTurtle and we have short forms for that KTurtle, like for forward FW, for backward BW, for pen down PD, for pen up PU. Pen down and pen up means drawing a line without seeing that line. Means invisible line. To draw invisible line in KTurtle we use pen up and pen down commands. Using these commands we are going to draw shapes in KTurtle. Okay, that means we have to write these commands in editor pane. Yesterday I have shown. Using these commands we will draw shapes in KTurtle. And children, before going to start this lesson, your computer textbook and your classwork is very much needed, because if I am going to explain the lesson, you must know what I am explaining, what you have to do, and after explaining the lesson, if you are having your personal PCs at your home, you can practice them. And in introduction, they have given about arithmetic operations. What is arithmetic operations? Nothing but the calculation like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication we are going to do in our mathematics. Similar like or same like such things. In KTurtle also we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, and we can divide the numbers. Yes. How we have to do those? How we can do those? Using arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? What are the arithmetic operators? Please open page number 51. In page number 51 they have given plus symbol. For plus symbol means addition. Plus addition, minus subtraction, multiplication means we know into mark, right? But in Turtle or in computer language they use star. Yes, star is operates like multiplication symbol. Okay, for multiplication we use into mark, yes or no? But in KTurtle they use star. And division, I'll show. Yes, this is the symbol for multiplication. This is the operator for multiplication. Okay, and using these commands they have written in textbook like print 35 plus 90. FW means forward, 150 minus 80. 150 minus 80 is how much? 70. And BW means back. BW 190 by 2. 190. Okay. Turn left. And DRI means direction. Using these commands we can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction. We'll see that further. Before going to launch or before going to open KTurtle, we must first go to Google Chrome. Okay, it is a Google engine or search engine. Go here to the web page and write rollapp.com. ROLL roll APP app, rollapp.com, and search. Click on enter. Wait for the minute. Okay, you will get this and you will get this web page. I have already signed up in this website. If you are not signed up, please sign up here at top right side of the window. I have already registered, so my name is here. So these all are the apps in ruleapp.com, so that we can use our needed application in this. Go here, search here as a KTurtle. Okay, search. I have got this KTurtle which is needed to my lesson. Click on this. Click on this. Wait for the minute. Now click on launch online. Click on launch online. Maximize this. Now click on proceed to KTurtle. Now click on launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. Click on this. Instead of downloading KTurtle application in your system, we can use this method to open the KTurtle. Okay. Maximize this. See, it is the window of KTurtle. And students, now we will begin with the arithmetic operations in KTurtle commands. Please open page number 51. Open page number 51. Open page number 51 and type print. Wait for the minute. Print 35 plus 90. Click enter key. FW. FW means forward. Please by heart the commands which I explained. FW 150 minus 80. Now again press enter key. BW. BW means backward. BW 190 by 2. See, these all are the arithmetic calculations which we are going to perform in KTurtle. 35 plus 90 means how much? 125. Print 125. 150 minus 80 is how much? 70. So forward 70 means we are assigning or we are commanding this turtle to move 70 points further. Okay. 190 by 2 is over. Now again click on enter key. TL means turn left. 10 raised to 2. Again click on enter key. DIR means direction. 9 into 20. Now to run this, what we have to do, either we have to click on run or click on F5 key. Function keys F5 key. Click on F5 key. Can you see this? It is the result of these commands, and after writing these commands, if we click on F5, the result will be this. We'll move next. Okay. To rub this or to erase this, what we have to do? Type reset and click enter. The turtle will come to its original position. Okay. Now delete everything. Now we'll move to pen up and pen down commands. What are pen up and pen down commands? Pen up means PU. PU, pen up, and PD means pen down. Why we use these commands? To draw the line without seeing the line in KTurtle, we use pen up and pen down commands. We'll draw one shape or two lines using these commands. Please open page number 52. Open page number 52. We'll begin FW 100. FW means forward. FW 100. Press enter key. Second one, turn right, TR 90. Again click on enter. PU. PU means pen up. Click enter key. FW again 100, forward 100. Enter. Turn right 90 means turn to the right side by 90 degrees. Now pen down means PD. Enter. Now again move forward 100 points. After typing this all in editor pane, click on F5 key and please observe in canvas. Observe here in the middle. Can you see this? Using pen up and pen down commands, we can draw these shapes in canvas in KTurtle. Means pen up means we can draw the lines without seeing. Means the drawn line will not be shown in these commands. Okay, we'll move next. Enter, reset. Click on F5 key. The turtle will comes to its original position. Now we'll go to the wait command. What is wait command? What is wait command? The wait command pauses the action of the turtle. Suppose if I am running any program or if I am running the commands, the wait command will pause the program. Means it will make the turtle to wait for certain period of time. If I type wait 10, then it will wait for the 10 second. Or if I type wait 2, the turtle will wait for 2 seconds. That means it will slow down the actions in turtle commands. Okay, we'll execute this now. First delete everything. Type FW100. FW means forward. Enter. Wait 2 means wait for 2 seconds. It means enter. Now click on F5. Can you observe this? Okay. Now reset again. F5. Can you observe? Can you observe? If I click on reset, the turtle will wait for 2 seconds to come its original position. I know children, this lesson is newer to you. You may feel bit difficulty, but once you understood about the concept, it is very enjoyable and you can learn very easily. I am sure you will easily you guys will learn. Okay, now we'll move next about the repeat command, page number 53. Please open page number 53. We learn about the repeat command. Okay, how we will draw square in paint application? We'll go to shapes. We'll select a square shape and we will draw easily in paint. But in KTurtle, how to draw square? We'll see now. In page number 53, they have given the repeat command and they have given some commands. Okay, we'll write that. FW 80. 80 means what? 80 points to move upwards or to the right side. Okay, FW means forward. Enter. Second one, TR means turn right. 90. Again enter. Now FW again 80. Same repeat commands. 4 times they have repeated. Please observe, the commands have been entered 4 times repeatedly in repeat command. We'll observe that. Again TR 90, enter. FW 80, enter. TR 90, enter. One more, last time we are going to type FW 80, enter, and TR 90. 4 times 8 commands repeatedly we have typed. After writing this, click on F5. Observe now in canvas. The square shape has been drawn in canvas. Are you guys observing? Okay. Now to rub or to erase everything, type reset and click on F5. Okay, the turtle will comes to its original position. Now we'll move next. Now we'll see how to draw polygons and circles. Okay, page number 53, drawing polygons and circles. The repeat command is very useful to draw closed shapes that are made up of equal sides and have equal angles. To draw the shapes with the equal sides and with the equal angles, we use repeat commands. In square, all sides and all angles are equal. Yes, for those such shapes, we can use repeat command. How we will use, how we will execute, we'll see now. In page number 54, they have given more than 5 to 6 commands and they have executed in your textbook, which you guys can see here. Yes, these all are the commands with its output shapes they have given. Please try at your home in your personal PCs. How to launch KTurtle in Google Chrome directly. If you want, I'll explain once again. Please try these all. And we'll see now how to draw a square. We'll see using repeat command. Type repeat for flower bracket open, FW means forward 80 and turn right 120. Close the flower bracket. After typing base, click on F5 key. Are you getting? The triangle shape has been drawn which is of equal sides. Okay. Similar diagrams of equal sides and equal angles you guys can draw using repeat command, and same you can copy or you can try from your textbook page number 54. Okay, now we'll draw circle. Now we'll draw circle using repeat command. Okay, type reset, click F5. The turtle comes to its original position. Now we will see how to draw circle using repeat command. Type repeat 360, flower bracket open, FW 1 and TR 1, close the flower bracket. Now click on F5 key. Wait for a minute. Repeat 36, flower bracket open, FW4 and turn right 10, close the flower bracket and click on F5. Can you guys see the circle using repeat command has been drawn in turtle? Okay, now again we'll see repeat 18, open the flower bracket, FW4 and turn right 20, close the flower bracket and click on F5 key. Okay, one more small circle has been drawn inside the circle. That means how the number which we are using in editor pane with the increasing numbers and decreasing numbers, the size of the circle will be reduced or increased. Okay, it depends on the number which we are using. Okay, using repeat commands we can draw the shapes with the same or equal sides or equal angles. Are you getting my point? Okay, now last we'll use nested repeat command and we'll draw the shapes. Page number 55. To draw the hexagon using nested repeat command, they have given the command at the last line in page number 55. Please open page number 55 and we'll write now. Start writing. Type repeat. Type repeat. 6. It means 6 sides. Open the flower bracket. FW means forward. Forward. 100 point moves forward. Give the space. Again type repeat. 60 points move forward. Open again flower bracket. Write down FW 20. Give space. Backward 20. BW 20. Again TR 6. Turn right 6. Close the flower bracket. Give space. Again turn right 60. Close the flower bracket. After writing these commands in editor pane, click on F5. Now click on F5. Okay, this beautiful nested repeat command has been used to draw hexagon. If you want, I'll explain once again how to draw a hexagon in KTurtle using nested repeat command. I feel this commands writing will be bit tough, but the output from this commands will be very enjoyable and very beautiful, right? Type reset, click on F5 key. Now we'll start writing same command. Repeat 6, open the flower bracket, FW 100, again type repeat, type 60, open again flower bracket, FW 20, give space, BW back 20, then turn right 6, close the flower bracket, give space, turn right, type 60, again close the flower bracket. After writing this command, click on F5 key. Done. This is the way to draw hexagon using nested repeat command. Okay, children, by this your 5th lesson KTurtle more commands has been completed. I want to show once again how we have to open or how we have to launch KTurtle application in Google Chrome. First, what we have to do, please observe and look at the screen carefully. Type here as rollapp.com. rollapp.com. Type rollapp.com and enter. Wait for the minute. We'll get this. Recently I have used KTurtle. If you did not get in currently running application, please type here as KTurtle, search, wait for the minute, and we'll get this KTurtle coding programming applications here. Click on this, wait for the minute, and remember we have to click on launch online. Click on this, click here, maximize this. Yes, this is the way to open the KTurtle in Google Chrome. Okay guys, one homework from my side to you. In page number 56 in exercise as well as in page number 59, they have given some shapes. So for that you have to write commands and try your own commands at your personal PCs and do send the results from your side. Okay, thank you, good day.